Hey, gentlemen, today we're going to talk about a subject that's perhaps a bit awkward, maybe even taboo. But let me tell you, if you are an older man still practicing what we'll call self-love, this is something you need to hear. In fact, it's urgent that you do. It's not judgment. It's about shining light on a too often overlooked aspect of life: masturbation in your golden years. Let's set the tone right from the start. Masturbation is a natural part of life. But as we age, our bodies change, and so do our needs when it comes to sexual health. What might have seemed simple in our younger days can bring questions, even doubts, as we grow older. But here's the truth. Those feelings of confusion or shame, they're misplaced. It is not about shame. It's about knowledge, care for oneself, and decision-making about health. It is not just for enjoyment. It's for well-being. And let me tell you, there is so much misinformation when it comes to masturbation, especially when it comes to older men. Busting the myths. You probably heard some of them. Masturbation is bad for older men. False. It drains your energy or makes you weaker. No scientific foundation. It is only for the young. Ludicrous. It's a symptom of loneliness. Not so. It's about human needs and desires. These myths continue to endure because of antiquated beliefs, societal stigma, and misinformation. But let's clear the air with some facts. Studies indicate that regular sexual activity, including masturbation, can support both physical and mental health. Your sexuality doesn't go out of style when you get older. Why this matters now? You may wonder why this is such an urgent topic. Here's why. Neglecting your sexual health can lead to long-term issues, not only physically but mentally and emotionally as well. Knowing your body and its needs equips you to live a fuller, happier, and healthier life. The advantages of masturbation for older men. Let's look at the science-backed advantages. Prostate health. Regular ejaculation may decrease the chances of prostate cancer by flushing out potential carcinogens. Increased blood flow. Sexual arousal boosts blood flow, which promotes good cardiovascular and erectile health. Reducing stress. Orgasms release endorphins, which are the body's natural mood lifters, thus helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Self-discovery. Masturbation helps you remain in touch with your changing body, ensuring that you know what feels good for you. Dealing with potential risks. Masturbation is safe and healthy. However, there are a few risks to be considered. Overdoing it. This can cause physical discomfort or irritation. Moderation is the key. Rough techniques. Be gentle and consider using a lubricant to enhance comfort. Health conditions. If chronic pain or mobility issues make it difficult, adapt your approach or consult a healthcare professional. Practical tips for a healthy routine. Create a relaxing environment. Find a private, comfortable space. Experiment. Try different techniques or use a lubricant to improve comfort. Be aware. Notice how your body responds and pace yourself. Be creative. Explore options or means that keep it fresh and enjoyable. Be routine. Masturbating regularly may help, but this is about quality and not about how often. The bigger picture. Masturbation is but one aspect of sexual health maintenance. Intimacy with a partner, exercise, a good diet, and stress management all contribute to total well-being. And if problems arise, consult a doctor without hesitation. Let's keep talking. This is a discussion of empowerment. The mere fact that this topic is being brought up opens it up for more people to speak out and to make better decisions. If this video hit home for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Your thoughts and experiences are valuable, so drop a comment below. Let's create a supportive community that prioritizes sexual health at every age. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on videos like this. Here's to staying informed, healthy, and happy inside and out. Take care, gentlemen. You deserve it.